હેલો નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, દરેકનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે મિત્રો. ધોરણ 9 વિષય છે ઇંગ્લિશ, જેમાં આપણે યુનિટ નંબર 4 કોલ ઓફ ધ હિલ્સ મિત્રો, જેની અંદર રાઇટિંગ સેક્શન આપણે જોવાના છીએ, જે મિત્રો તમને ખૂબ જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ બની રહેશે. તે ઉપરાંત તમારે તેની અંદર જે પણ લખવાનું થતું હોય સંપૂર્ણ આપણે જે છે સોલ્યુશન કરાવીશું. તે પહેલા ચેનલમાં નવા છો તો મિત્રો ફટાફટ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી તમારા મિત્રોને પણ અવશ્યપણે શેર કરી દેશો. ચાલો શરૂ કરીએ. જોઈએ રાઇટિંગ સેક્શન ની અંદર મિત્રો આપણે બી એટલે કે યુઝ ધ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન in this dialogue and write 2 paragraphs on work in pairs. તો જોઈએ સંપૂર્ણ આપણે અહીં જે છે કોષ્ટક પૂરું કરીશું. a pet dog and a stray dog. a pet dog ની અંદર જોઈએ its belt and the marks round the neck area of chain. My master ties me with the chain during daytime or whenever we go out. Stray dog. Oh really? Pet dog, yes, but come to my master's house. We shall enjoy a ride in his car this evening. Stray dog, sorry friend, I may be getting enough glue or any comforts, but a free creator, I love freedom. I don't want to lose it at any cost. The information in this be used. Dialogue and write 2 paragraphs on a stray dog and a pet dog. A stray dog is that lives on the street. It has dog no master. It roams around freely. It eats what it likes and sleeps where it likes. It is not chained and kept in a kennel. It dogs not have a bath regularly like a pet dog. It does not get any comforts and good food, but it lives happily on the streets. A pet dog is a dog that is owned by its master. It lives in a kennel. It gets good food to eat and a cozy and soft bed to sleep on, but it is chained by its master. It is not free to roam around. It can go out only when its master takes him. It is given good food and bathed twice a day. It has all the comforts but no freedom. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો આગળ જોઈએ W2. Recite this poem and fill in the blanks in the passage. તો મિત્રો આપણે જે છે અહીં આપણા જે કાવ્ય છે એ વાંચી અને નીચેનો જે છે ફકરો આપણે પૂર્ણ કરવાનો જે છે. તો તેની અંદર જોઈએ The poet promised the bird that he would not follow it, nor would he speak a word to. તો આવશે bring it back again. The poet loves, તેની અંદર આવશે freedom, and claw that the birds and flown away as it was drowned by the lure of freedom. The bird is flying towards light where the poet also accompanying it. The poet promised the bird yet they will meet, thought he is far away. There are also love and freedom where the light is outpouring. The main idea of the poem is freedom. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો આગળ છે W3A. Write the paragraph on the celebration of the Independence Day in your school. તો જોઈશું you may use these words. 1906 MP freedom fighter revolutionary. આ પ્રમાણે આપણને જે છે મિત્રો વર્ડ્સ આપેલા છે તો લખીશું. 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day all over the country. Our school also celebrates this day with great enthusiasm. All the classrooms are cleaned and decorated with colorful ribbons and balloons. The main function is held on the school playground. The chief guest hoists the national flag. We salute the flag and sing the national anthem. There are speeches by the chief guest, the principal, and some students. We remember our freedom fighters and their sacrifice. Some students also present patriotic song. We also have exhibition in the assembly hall. It is about our freedom struggle and our freedom fighters. It is a day of great importance and pride of all of revolutionary fearless sacrifice life for motherland chanting Vande Mataram. British police could not catch him live. Death of brave hero became martyr in 1931 in Allahabad. તો મિત્રો આ પ્રમાણે ઉપરાંત Chandrasekhar Azad was born 23 July 1906 in Bhavra, Madhya Pradesh. At a very young age, he got involved in revolutionary activities. He joined the non-cooperation movement. He was involved in incidents such as Kakori train robbery, assembly bomb incident, and the shooting of Saunders at Lahore to avenge the killing of Lala Lajpat Rai. He was once caught by the British police and was sentenced to 15 whiplashes as his first punishment. At that time, he was only 15 years old. Disillusioned with Mahatma Gandhi's suspension of non-cooperation movement due to Chauri Chaura incident, he turned English second language into an extremist on 27 February 1931. Betrayed by one of the associates, he was surrounded by the British police. મિત્રો આ પ્રમાણેનું આપણું સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન અહીં પૂર્ણ થાય છે. હવે આગળના યુનિટનું અને અન્ય વિષયના સ્વાધ્યાયનું સોલ્યુશન પણ આપણા ચેનલ પર મળી રહેશે. તેની તમામ પ્રકારની લિંક આ વિડીયો ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં આપેલી છે.